In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Afterpay in store. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. All you have to do is have the latest version of the Afterpay mobile app installed on your phone. When you open it up and you go to all the available brands and stores, you should be able to see this icon at the bottom right corner of a lot of stores. In store. When you see this icon, it means that you can use Afterpay in store. Select the brand or the store that you would like to pay in, and immediately you will see all the locations available where you can use the in-store functionality. Select whichever one you want to, and when you click Pay in Store, you have to follow the instructions presented on screen. You can pay using any of your available payment methods or just use the Afterpay card in your digital wallet. As long as you select the Pay in Store option after you open up the mobile app, you will be able to manage your payments and pay in store using Afterpay. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Afterpay in store. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.